Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about For Honor error code 20000000603. The error reads, "Connection failed. The For Honor servers are unreachable at this time. Please try again later. Check our service status at forhonorgame.com status." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log in or play the game but are unable to connect to the Ubisoft servers. As per our research, this error is likely caused by a server-side issue, or there may be a network problem from the user's end. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PC or console along with your network hardware such as router and modem. Once everything restarts, try again and check for the error. If the error still comes and you are playing on a PC, then try flushing the DNS cache. To do this, open Command Prompt as administrator and type the command ipconfig flushdns. Then press Enter and wait for the process to complete. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists and you are playing on Xbox, then try clearing the alternate MAC address. Simply press the Xbox button to open the guide. Then select Profile and System, then go to Settings. Then under the General tab, select Network Settings, then go Advanced Settings and choose Alternate MAC Address and select Clear. Then restart your console and press and hold the Xbox button in the center of your controller to open the Power Center. Then select Restart Console and confirm. After restart, sign in and check if the error still comes. If the error continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Then see if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then it is probably a server-side issue. To check the server status, you can refer to ubisoft.com NUS Game For Honor status and see if the servers are down. If so, then wait for some time and try again. At last, if the issue continues for too long, then consider contacting the Ubisoft support and report the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.